Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Last War survival game build queue bug. The first thing you can do is to go to your settings, then choose apps, tap on see all apps. You can either open the search bar or you could just scroll down until you find the Last War application. Tap on it. From here, go to the storage and cache section and you will see there an option to clear cache and clear storage. Click both. If the issue persists, you can also force restart your game to fix the glitches or restart your mobile device. You can also go back to your settings and go to the application. You can force stop the game, then open it to fix some unknown bugs. You have to make sure as well to check if there's any updates on the game itself to avoid or fix some glitches.